Hello, beautiful family. Thank you so much for clicking my video. I have another wig show and tell for you all today. This wig is from MyFirstWig. This is a beginner-friendly wig company. If you're interested in this wig during the video or by the end of the video, the website link to this wig, direct store, social media links will be in the description box. When you order, your wig comes stored neatly in this MyFirstWig silk bag. When you order, they send you some extra goodies in the box. I got a wig knot healer. I would like to use this product, but I did not feel like experimenting this day, especially if something went wrong. I got a flyaway tamer. This is really good for the flyaways at the top. I got this little MyFirstWig pouch with 2 hair clips and a rat tail comb on the inside. They also sent me 2 wig caps, and I also got a slip with my order information on it, and all the details to the wig that I have in this video will be left in the description box. Here's a close-up of the inside cap construction. It comes with a 13x6 lace frontal parting space, 2 combs behind the frontal, another comb in the nape area with adjustable straps. As for the cap material, it is made on a stretch fit breathable material. They also inserted a adjustable elastic band that had 3 hook settings. As for the lace is it has like a light brown tint to it. It's very soft and you can see them kinky edges from afar. This is how the wig looks straight out of the package. Here's a close-up of how the hairline comes. This is their Yaki straight kinky edges wig. I think they do have like different types of kinky edges. This one isn't as coily, and the hairline comes lightly pre-plucked, and the knots also come bleached. As for the hair color comes as a natural black. So when the sunlight hit it, it has like a black tone, but you can see those brown undertones. And as for the hair texture, it is on the Yaki side. So when I was styling this wig on the mannequin head, I started off doing a middle part, and I'm just going to let you guys know in advance. I end up going and doing a right side part later on, but I'm just showing you guys how I styled the wig on the mannequin head so you guys know how I got my end results. So I'm going in with the Andis hot comb, and I have it on the highest temperature, which is 20 degrees. And I'm just going in and I'm pressing down the parting space. You don't have to do this part right now. I'm just doing it so I can see what I'm dealing with in the front. All right, so now I'm going to go in with the Babyless Prima 3000, and the temperature setting that I have it on is 410 degrees. And I'm just going straight in with the flat iron with no product on the hair. The hair pretty much comes already straight, but I would like it more sleekier. So, well, it's a Yaki texture wig, so it's not going to be super sleek. But I would like the hair a little bit more straighter, so I'm just going in with the hot comb, and I'm showing you guys how beautifully this hair straightens with the hot. I said hot comb? I meant flat iron, my bad. This hair straightens very beautifully with this Babyless Prima flat iron, not hot comb. But the hot comb end up doing the job as well when we get to the crown area. When doing the frontal section, I like to take out the kinky edges and then go in with the flat iron and the hot comb. So when doing the frontal part, I take out like small sections, comb it, then I go in with the Babyless Prima, straighten it out. And then after that, I go in with the MyFirstWig flyaway tamer. Apply a little bit of that onto the roots of the part that I just flattened out or straightened out. And then I go in with the Andis hot comb, and I use the hot comb to help melt the product into the hair. So this helps lay down the flyaways and also help make the top nice and flat. I'm staying away from the kinky edges. I don't want any heat to touch the kinky edges at all because I don't want it to lose that texture. After I finished styling the left side of the frontal, I went in and finished the right side off camera, and it looks so good. But I would like the hairline plucked a little bit more. My first wig did a great job plucking the hairline, but I just want to get rid of that harsh line of demarcation like that's right before the hairline, so it's not so noticeable when I put the wig on. Now I'm going to go in with some eyebrow razors, and I'm just taking the razors and I'm cutting right along the hairline in little zigzag motions. So there's lace in the nape area as well. Be sure to cut that off because we do not need it. I use regular scissors for those, which was really eyebrow scissors. So now it is time for the wig install, and this hair is looking so good already. I was very excited. I didn't put any makeup on underneath the wig at all. Right there in the back is where I hooked my adjustable straps, and with the elastic band that they inserted, I hooked it on the third hook so it could be super nice and snug. So far, this wig is just sitting on my head, and it was looking real good already. It could almost pass for a glueless install, probably with some Near OB Rapid Shine foaming lotion on the hairline and tying it down. But I was like, let me just go in with some spray to hold down the hairline for this wig show and tell. The hairline on the wig is longer than my hairline, so I'm just going in and cutting off some of the air tabs. After that, I'm going to go in with the Wig Dealer melting spray and spray one layer of this on top of the lace, only in like certain spots. I didn't really spray it correctly. I just sprayed it good enough so you guys could see how the end results would look for this wig show and tell. Now that it's hot outside, I don't really recommend spraying just one layer on top of the lace, especially if you're a person that have a forehead that sweat a lot as soon as you get outside. So I would recommend spraying your first layer on your skin, then blow drying that part until it turns tacky, then put the lace on top of that part, then spray again on top of the lace and blow dry until it's completely dry. But I'm going to do another video on how I would like install my wig hairline if I was to do a full install with just spray only. So stay tuned for that later on if you're interested. Now I'm going to take this Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 360 and lightly apply some of this powder on top of the lace to the parting space. This just helps the parting space look a little bit more like Scalp and also help hide the grids or if there was any knots that was missed that was being bleached, it helped hide that as well. Now again, I'm going to go in with my MyFirstWig Flyaway Tamer. I know I already used this product already, but there is some flyaways that could use some taming. So I'm just going straight in with the product and no hot comb again. First of all, I couldn't even believe how good this wig was looking already. I was like, should this be illegal? Because this is giving too much scalp. It's not even real. But here is my end result, you guys, and I really hope you guys like it. So I'm going to go over my order information real quick so you guys know the wig that I have. And if you missed this part, the order information will be in the description box as well. So the texture of this wig is Yaki, hair length 20 inches, hair color natural black, cap size that I have is cap size number 2. This is a circumference for 22.5 to 22.3 heads, and it fit perfectly fine. My head circumference is 22 inches. The cap construction I have is 13 by 6 lace front wig with 160% hair density, and the lace color is light brown. I really love how the hair texture feels on this wig. It feels realistic. One thing I love about MyFirstWig is I have been working with MyFirstWig for a while now, and I must say their Yaki straight wigs is really good quality, like really, really nice. You'll get a lot of wears out of it. They're good to even sleep in because I have slept in their Yaki wigs on vacation before. They're good to take it off every night and put it back on the next day. Like, I really, really love MyFirstWigs. Like, that's one thing I could say after working with them and wearing their wigs for a while. With the amount of parting space you get, it helps the wig look extra realistic. The kinky edges looks great on this as well. They do have tighter kinky edges on the website options for other certain wigs if you don't really want the kinky edges like this. But I personally love how the kinky edges look on this one. I tried the curly kinky edges, the real coily ones, and they look good as well. But this one is more easy to work with, especially if you're a beginner. When I was styling the wig, I didn't get any tangling at all. As for shedding, I was getting shedding hair. The shedding was low to medium. It's not super bad. I feel like it's shedding like a lot of people can handle. So hopefully over time the shedding lay up, but I'm honestly fine with the shedding. This wig have a really nice flow. Like, it looks so real, you guys. Can you see the shine? The luster on this wig is really gorgeous. This wig isn't coming off too shiny, and I don't have any product on the hair that much except for the flyaway tamer to help lay the flyaways down. I personally love it. It's a great everyday wig, especially if you want people to think this is your real hair. You could definitely get away with fooling people with this one. When I received the wig, it didn't come with no foul odor. I went straight in and styled the wig. I didn't wash it, but you definitely do have the option to wash it. And to help it last longer as well, I do recommend washing it as well. Definitely a big fan of the kinky edges on this wig. I could have probably went in and plucked the other side a little well, but I'm not too worried about it because it's covered in the bang area. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for taking time to watch, and I'll see you guys in my next video later, you guys. Please be safe.